teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Rose.
John, nice to meet you. John, how old are you?
I'm 5.
5. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Alright, now show me your hand. Show me your hand. And how are you today?
I'm good.
Good, alright. Give me a high five. Are you ready for the test?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how ready you are. Can you tell me what is this? It's an John. It's an
ear.
ear. Very good job. Speak up, John. Put all in. Okay. Now what are they?
Giấy chú A.
Eyes. But I need you to speak up more. Okay. Very good job. Now, what is this? Come on.
Lâu.
Nose. Very good, John. John, please, put all in. Okay. What are they?
Giấy chú shoulder.
Okay, no need to say the number. They are shoulders.
Giấy shoulder.
Yes, good job. High five. Oh. Good job, John. All right, John. What is this? It's an
arm.
arm. Amazing. What are they? They fin. John, fingers.
Finger.
They are fingers.
They are finger.
All right, very good. Now, what is this? Leg.
Neck.
It's a leg.
It's a leg.
Yes, please, John. More energy, okay? Speak up. What is this?
It's a knee.
Knee. Yes, good job. Oh, more energy. Wake up. Yes, very good job, John. John, what is this?
It's a toe.
Toe. Amazing. Now, how many shoulders have you got?
I got two shoulders.
Yes. How many fingers have you got?
I got
10.
10.
What? 10 fingers.
10 fingers.
Okay, John, how many ears have you got?
I got two ears.
Ears, great. How many eyes have you got?
I got two eyes.
Eyes, alright. How many knees have you got?
I got two knees.
Knees, alright. Very good job. 5. Oh, John, I want you to